Hey guys. Okay, so I want to um, show you guys a really quick way to make a form for people who are wanting new catalogs. Now, the reason that I create new forms for when people are wanting new catalogs is a few reasons. Number one, you can put whatever you want in there, and so you can, get their name, their phone number, their address, whatever that you need to send them the catalog. But then you can also ask them things like if they want to host a party, if they're interested in your hostess of the month club or your gift club or whatever it is that you call it. And then you can also ask them about joining your team. And so this is a really simple way that I actually just learned about, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I really want to challenge you to create one of these forms. It literally took me, I watched a quick 3-minute video on how to do it, which I'm going to show you how to do it here. I watched a really quick video on how to do it, and then I went in and I did it. And as you can see, I have 4 submissions. Now, what I'm doing right now, because I'm still working on the retirement list for the next few days, and so anybody who has reached out and asked me for a catalog, I have sent them this link for them to fill out. So I really want to challenge you guys to go on to this JotForm.com and create a form to send out when people want new catalogs. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I do this, and you can go right up here to where it says Create Form. You're going to go to JotForm.com, create an account, which it's free to create the account. And then we're going to click Create Form, create a form, and create. Now there's other things that you can do like templates and stuff, but I haven't really, to be honest, played around with that kind of stuff. So you're going to enter your name, and I'm just going to do test. This will be for your fall catalog or whatever you want to do it for. I'm just going to do test. And then you're going to create it. And it's going to take just a second. Okay, so the title will be right here. You guys are going to come right over here where it says Add Form Element and click on that. And the first thing you want to do is have a picture. People, their eyes just catch the pictures. And so you're going to scroll down and you're going to find where it says Image. You're going to choose a file. Now I went in and created a banner on Canva for this. And so I'm going to just go ahead and enter that right there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Add Form, and I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to check this out. This is like the best part. Okay, so you're going to look right here, and you're going to click on full name, and notice that it comes right here. Then you're going to click email, address, and then if you want their phone number. So stinking simple. And then one other thing that I do, because I don't know, I just do it. I don't want people to leave any portion out. Obviously, they're not going to leave their name out. But I click on this little settings tab right here, and right here where it says required, it's off, automatically off. So I just turn that on. So it puts this little star here. People have to put their email in order for the form to go through. And I do this for a few reasons, but my number one reason is if they're not in your, excuse me, if they're not in your contacts in your back office, this is a really great way for you to add contacts to your back office. So if you know for a fact, say, Sarah Jo puts it in here and she's not in your back office, take her email, take her info, and go put her in your back office. So I do that on every spot. You have to make sure that it's required if that's what you want to do. Okay, and so then the next thing you're going to do is you want to ask a couple questions, right? So I'm going to do a multiple choice, and I'm going to put book your fall, Facebook party or just your party now. And you can make it more fun than that. I think I'll show you guys what I did on my other one. And then for your options, you can I went through and put all of the dates, August, September, October, November. And then you can actually add an option, and I put December, and then I added an option and put no thanks. I don't like free stuff. Just kind of fun. And I do also, again, make sure that I make that required, that they answer that. And then I go up and I do it again. And I find the multiple choice. And then on this one, I usually have something about my hostess of the month club. And then I do put in an image. And like I said, I will show you my form. But I do put in an image, and then I do join my team. And I will show you guys what I do for mine. But then you just go up here and you click publish. And there's your link. It is seriously that simple. So let me show you guys mine really quickly. I think I can I'll click on edit form. Okay, so my fall catalog request, name, address, email, phone number, Would you like to book your fall party and receive an extra 20 in hostess rewards? Now, I did this, but you do not have to do this. And I don't offer the extra 20 until they hit 100 or until they hit the $600 level, which the hostess rewards are actually going up. So when they hit that $600 level, they're getting 120 now versus 100. So that could be your extra 20, just totally up to you. And then I have my awesome graphic here that Jen started, and then I kind of changed it to fit me. For my gift club, and then I have such a huge wish list for myself and some Christmas presents to get. I want you to be my personal shopper this fall and help me get it all for great prices over a period of time. And then here's what I put for my choices. And then I just put the picture of just the signature kit because it was the $99 one. And then I put my wish list and gift list for the holidays crazy long, and I want to earn it all for free or at least have a debt-free Christmas. And I feel like the debt-free thing is huge here. So try to mention something about debt-free. And I like to put wings because I don't want people to think, I don't know. That's just what I do. But that's all I did. And I've gotten 4 submissions. It comes back. It's super easy. I highly, highly, highly recommend. And I want to challenge you guys each to do this and send me your link so that I can see it. And I sent mine to my upline so she could proofread it. But I want to challenge you guys to do this because it can be huge for your business. You're asking to host a party. You're asking to get your gift club going, and you're also asking about the opportunity, which are maybe things that you wouldn't necessarily ask about if you were just talking to them in person, or you're like, hey, here's your catalog. And then when I send out their catalog, I actually send the catalog with a little note on it that says, text me your favorite item for a special offer for me. And that can be whatever you choose for it to be. Mine's going to be something about getting a free product if they host a party. And then you can also put an opportunity brochure on each one and be like, hey, I really, for whatever reason, think you'd be great to join my team. I'd love to talk to you about it. Or however, if you know them personally, add a little personal message. But that is just a little challenge I have for you guys to do over the next couple of days as you are closing out the spring summer catalog. So if you all have any questions about this, just let me know and I will answer any questions that you have. And then if you need help creating it or you're stuck, just call me or text me. Actually, I love y'all, but don't call me. Text me or Facebook me and tell me you have a question. Because my husband's back at work. And so you're going to get a hold of me a heck of a lot faster if you email me or text me or Facebook me right now anyways, until school starts officially. So, all right, guys, night.